Since 1978, Kinney's has proudly produced some of the nation's most exceptional custom performance exhaust. That's 45 years plus of the highest quality custom exhaust fabrication to be found. Kinney's operates with a professional, clean, and inviting service facility with a high emphasis on customer safety and comfort. Here at Kinney's, we believe in the old-fashioned concept of superior workmanship, attention to detail, and putting our customers first. The art of high-quality hand fabrication has now become vastly a lost art. However, Kinney's has not only kept it alive, but has advanced the idea into a level not seen before. Kinney's offers our exclusive Boss ceramic and powder-coated tips, as well as Street Demon and Tunnel Ram performance mufflers. Nothing looks or sounds like them, so check them out on our ever-popular YouTube channel. Kinney's is blessed with a phenomenal and ever-growing out-of-town and out-of-state customer following. We're humbled by the hundreds of loyal and dedicated customers that come to us from all over the nation, many driving for several days. We genuinely appreciate all of our customers, with a little more emphasis on our out-of-state travelers. The relationships forged over the 45-plus years have been unbelievable and highly rewarding. We never dreamed that our hard work and relentless desire to be the best would have us being so blessed. At Kinney's, it's our number one priority to serve all of our fantastic customers to the highest level possible. You are all simply the best. Make absolutely certain to visit our fantastic YouTube channel where you can see and hear your car or truck with our amazing custom exhaust on it. You'll be able to hear dozens of unique custom exhaust offerings you never dreamed of. It's nice to know you'll never have to leave the comfort of your living room to do it. Just one more thing that Kinney's offers that your local shop just never could. Be sure and check out our exceptional website, and also don't forget to follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube to see what we do next.